Let's learn 5 moon idioms and their meaning. Love someone to the moon and back. This means to love someone an extremely large amount, as far as you can possibly imagine. For example, from the moment I met you, I've loved you to the moon and back. Many moons ago. This means a long time ago. For example, I was a boxer many moons ago. Once in a blue moon. This means that something very rarely happens. I only go to games once in a blue moon. I should go more often. Over the moon. This means to be thrilled, delighted, or extremely happy about something. Our boy is going to love his present. He'll be over the moon. And finally, reach for the moon. This means to have very high ambitions or goals. My mum always tells me to reach for the moon, so I'm going to climb to the top of the mountain. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms.